Meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. We went ahead and issued a weather authority alert day to coincide with the severe thunderstorm watch that has been issued by the National Weather Service for parts of the region. So again, we do have a weather authority alert day here for about the next 4 hours or so until 4 a.m. for the possibility of some isolated showers and thunderstorms that could pack a punch, especially for areas west of I-81. The main threats include localized wind damage and or hail, and yes, these storms just south of the border, initially into Tennessee, now in North Carolina, are spinning a bit. They're moving east. They're not moving northeast, but they are spinning just south of Grayson County. Again, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 4 a.m. This is for the New River Valley, also the Roanoke Valley, and extreme western parts of Southside. If you were to draw a line along 220 from Roanoke to Martinsville and points west, that is where we have the severe thunderstorm watch in effect for a little less than 4 hours from now. Now, as far as what we're seeing here on the radar, still have a tornado warning for Ashe County, North Carolina. Okay, areas in and around Jefferson have a tornado warning in effect here for about the next 20 minutes or so. A larger severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Ashe County until 12:45. Now, again, very important to note that this cell that is warned on, that is spinning a little bit, is near Jefferson, maybe just north of Jefferson, and moving eastbound. Okay, not northeast, not southeast, eastbound. Here is the border with North Carolina right here. So long as this thing continues to move east and not east, northeast, or northeast, then the cell will stay south of the border. Initially, perhaps next impacting areas close to Sparta, and then getting closer to Mount Airy here within about the next hour or so. We're going to continue to watch this cell very, very closely, as it has had a tornado warning with it since it was in Kingsport, Tennessee. All right, so there's the look at the cells that are south of the border. That is what is producing the tornado warn cell just south of Grayson County into Ashe County, North Carolina. A little further north, we've got some rain being reported in Wytheville, areas around Elk Creek, Fort Chiswell, up north into areas very close to Radford, areas perhaps right over Clear Lake, seeing some rain showers right now. There's one little heavier downpour right along the Bland and Giles County line, very close to, if not right over, Highway 61. Again, these showers are moving to the east at about 20 to 30 miles per hour. Right now, you're dry in Floyd, but that will likely change here over the next 10 to 20 minutes. As we look at the entirety of the viewing area, also have a couple of rain showers towards Highland County, but I'm not at all concerned with that rain shower that is near Monterey. Some heavier downpours right now near Charleston, those cells moving east. Some heavier downpours close to Beckley, moving east. And of course, we've got those strong to severe thunderstorms across Tennessee right now that are also moving to the east. So we're going to have the chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms here through about 3, 4, maybe as late as 5 a.m. Okay, so you need to know that you could certainly hear some rumbles of thunder tonight, especially in the mountains. Future tracker shows that we are looking at these showers and thunderstorms starting to lessen in intensity by about 3, 4, 5 a.m. Okay, such that by around daybreak tomorrow, there might be a couple of leftover showers around, but most of us are dry. We're not done, though. We're going to have a cold front swinging through here throughout the day tomorrow. Right now, that is the focal point for the lift, bringing us the showers and thunderstorms we're seeing, but the actual front will move through here on Tuesday. As that front moves through here on Tuesday, it will be the focal point to start to create the chance for some pop-up thunder showers as soon as about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, especially in areas along and east of the Parkway. Tonight, the best chance for strong to severe thunderstorms will mainly be in the mountains. Tomorrow, the focus will shift a little further east, such that areas in and around Lynchburg and especially Southside will have the best chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms from about 1 p.m. Tuesday through about 6 or 7 p.m. Tuesday. I am cautiously optimistic that close to the time the sun goes down tomorrow, we're going to start to really see things getting better, improving. I do think, again, we're going to have about a 5 to 7 hour window tomorrow, 1 p.m. to about maybe 6, 7, 8 p.m., where we will have the chance for some isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms in the Lynchburg and especially in the south side zones that could, again, pack a punch for us. The muggy meteor here for the next 3 days, certainly going to be humid for us tomorrow. Keep in mind, the front doesn't get out of here until tomorrow around dinner time. Once that front gets out of here, we're going to turn tolerable to comfortable as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. So today, air that you wear, dew points well into the 70s. Still dew points are in the 60s and 70s, even at 12-14. Still very sticky outside, very warm outside. You need to know tomorrow is going to be humid too, okay? But Wednesday, Thursday, the air mass changes, the humidity goes down, and the humidity is not going to stay down for long. So enjoy Wednesday and Thursday, because by Friday into the weekend, the muggies start to go back up again. The mercury starts to go back up again too after a cool down on Wednesday. Now, we're not looking at much happening beyond Tuesday afternoon, okay? Tuesday night looks pretty quiet. Wednesday's quiet. Thursday, Friday, pretty quiet too. So later this week, the storm chances are limited, and we will turn a bit hotter. We're going to turn a little more humid too. We should hit 90 on Friday again. Dew points will start to creep up on Friday too, and then highs this weekend into early next week, 90 to 95. Certainly going to be very hot for us here this weekend into early next week with temperatures way above average. But you need to know we're not alone. Temperatures are going to be above average really all along the eastern seaboard, all the way west into Denver, Colorado. Okay, to find the cooler than average temperatures here for the next 10 days, you need to go to Las Vegas, you need to go to Salt Lake City, Boise, Idaho. Those temperatures aren't going to be as hot as what we're going to be experiencing here. But you need to know that much of the country is going to have temperatures above average for about the next week to week and a half. We're also going to enter a dry spell, okay? Showers, thunderstorms tonight in some of our backyards. Not all. Not everybody gets wet tonight. Not everybody gets wet tomorrow, okay? Best chance for rain tomorrow will come in the afternoon in areas east of the Parkway. Once that front leaves us tomorrow around dinner time, looks like we're going to be for the most part dry Wednesday all the way through this weekend. Your extended forecast showing temperatures mid to upper 80s Tuesday, middle 80s Wednesday, near 90 Friday, 90 to 95 Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Okay, so the heat is back on again, no doubt for us here as we head from Wednesday all the way through Monday. It's going to be a slow increase. Wednesday's still going to feel really good. Okay, Wednesday, the humidity is going to be low. Temperatures are going to be rather pleasant, rather comfortable. Even on Thursday, we're up to 88, but the humidity is not going to be that high. So Wednesday, Thursday going to be the nicest days to be outside. That's when it's going to feel the best outside. But once we get into Friday, the weekend, into early next week, the humidity starts to go up. The mercury starts to go up. You can tell as those overnight lows go up, that's a telltale sign that the humidity levels are going up as well. Current time is 12:16, and joining me is my good friend Allie. Are there any questions I can answer at 12:16 in the morning on this Tuesday, Allie? No, nobody? Okay, perfect. Most people are sleeping, I would assume, right, Allie? All right, friends. Again, we will be watching the radar closely for the next 2 to 3 hours or so. Again, we do have this severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 4 a.m. We'll, of course, be here until the watch is canceled. We'll keep an eye on the radar for you. We'll break into programming if we need be, but for now, that tornado warning cell is staying just south of the border into northern parts of North Carolina, and we hope that it stays in northern North Carolina and doesn't decide to jog to the east northeast into our neck of the woods. We'll watch it, though, very closely for you here at your local weather authority. Have a great night, friends, and if you have a way for, if there is a warning issued, for you to be alerted to it before you go to bed